Hey y'all, Greg with Small Town Wreath Shop. How is everybody today? Today, y'all, I'm going to be showing y'all how I've got to put two boxes together because we've got a really long wreath. This wreath that I got to ship is almost 42 inches. Now, the florals will fold a little bit, but it's really long. Biggest boxes that I have here are square, 24 by 24 by 12. Just not going to work. I've got some long 36s, but they're only 12 inches wide. So we got to make one. So I know it's gonna fit in a 22-inch wide box. So we're gonna make two 22 inches. So we got some 22 by 22 by 8s. We're just gonna fold them and close up the bottoms. Close up the bottoms like normal. You know, just with the tape. We're gonna close up couple of pieces here. Got one. We're gonna make one more. So you're gonna make two boxes like normal. And then we're gonna put those together at the right length that we need. We're going to size the boxes like we need to. Now, we kind of need to look in the inside of the box. And if you can see, I don't know if y'all can see, but on this side, right here, is where the box is kind of glued together. It's got that little lip that's glued. So we're going to stay away from this end. We're going to get on this end. And we're going to cut both corners out. I got to get my glasses on so I make sure I see what I'm doing. So I'm going to take my blade and we're just going to cut down both corners. Just take your time. You can cut it from the inside if you want to. And just cut all the way down to the corner. I'm actually going to cut this one from the inside so I can kind of see what I'm doing better. I'm just going to take my blade and I'm just going to cut that corner so it falls out. Now we're going to take this piece off. So just pull it off your tape, set it aside. You might need that. And just take your extra tape and just kind of fold it in over that crease right there in the middle. Fold your tape in. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. We're going to cut this side off. Stay away from that little lip, that little glued part. And I'm going to cut both of these. It cuts easier for me from the inside. Just start at the bottom. Cut right in the corner. Both sides. And we're going to take it out as well. So just take it off. Got to get it off that tape. Set it aside and fold your tape in. Same thing. Alright, so now we got two boxes that we can actually stick together. We can stick inside each other just like so. And now we've got a plenty long enough box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure. I'm going to see about how much room that I feel like I need, that I can get away with. I think we're going to be good at about 40 inches. 38, 39. We may have to we're going to back up just a little bit, see how much room we got. I want to make sure we have enough this is going to be a really big box to ship them though. So that's 39, and that might be, I'm going to check it. I'm going to kind of set the wreath in and see. We'll pull it back out. But I don't want it all smashed up. So when we go in, we're going to have plenty of room. I'm going to be able to make it a little bit smaller. So we're going to be able to kind of slide up. We probably could get away with about 36 inches. You know, give or take. Maybe a little bit more than that right there. And now you're going to have a big box that does have to be taped up in multiple places now for it to make it through shipping. And I'm going to use some of the cardboard that we cut out to go in the bottom to give it a little more stability right in the bottom, and may use a little bit on top after I put my paper and stuff to give it that stability across the middle. So I hope this helps out. If you don't have the right size boxes, you can make the right size boxes with a little bit of ingenuity and a little bit of time. You can do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope y'all give it a try if you ever run into this problem. If you like our videos right here with the Bickums, y'all, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye, everybody.